It's been 3 years since my mom passed away, but I still get texts from her. At first, they were just old scheduled messages she must have set up before. Did you eat? Don't stay up too late. Comforting little echoes of her love. But then they started to change. Take an umbrella tomorrow. It's going to rain, it said one night. The forecast was clear, but I took one anyway. The next day, a sudden downpour. Another time, don't take the 8:15 train. I was running late, so I missed it. That same train derailed. It felt like she was still watching over me, a guardian angel in my pocket. Tonight, sitting in my dark apartment, my phone lit up one last time. A new message, not a warning, but a set of coordinates. A place I've never been. Underneath, just 3 words. Go find her, and a photo. A woman with my mother's smile.